everyone, welcome back. So what are we doing today? Today we are prepping the bonnet and the boot. But I did run into a slight problem. I got a bit carried away here, so I need to touch this up with a bit of weld. And my boot lid, I need to weld up some holes where it had a horrible number plate, plasticky thing, this thing down here. So we got rid of that. It's not the original boot lid. And also one of these is for the strings for the to stop the boot coming open. This one this side doesn't have a thread in it, but I was going to put a what do you call it, I can't remember the thing you put them in with a tool, but I don't want to make it too big, so I'm going to just tack that in there and clean it up. That should do. I've already put all the doors on, so they're all good now. They'll line up nicely still, so that's good. So yeah, I'm going to sort these couple of bits of welding out. you saw, just finished off them little repairs, and I didn't film it, but I've just painted them in epoxy, so just waiting for this to dry now, and then I'm going to base and clear them. Not perfect, but I'm not too worried. Just on the inside, just doing it the same as I've done inside the boot and in the engine bay. So we will do a proper high build primer on the outside when we get that far. Yeah, it's coming along. Right, so I've given it a couple of coats of base coat and I've just given it a dusty coat of clear coat just to give this coat something to stick to. Right, so I'm going to put on the proper coat of clear now. Right, let's do it. Right, so that's me just about done again. Yeah, so that went on quite nice in the end. Yeah, don't look too bad. So yeah, have a quick look. Nice and shiny. That's the inside of the bonnet. And the inside of the boot. It probably looks better on the camera than what it actually is, but it's not bad. But yeah, when I do the outside I'll put an extra coat of clear on anyway, because I've done sort of a dust coat and a coat. But obviously I'm not going to be polishing any of this back, but when I do the outside I will be. So when I do the outside I'll do the dust coat and then a wet coat and then another wet coat, and then that should be plenty, give me to cut back. But first I've got to do all the bodywork, so I'll get these bolted back on next time, because I am painting it with them all on, which I don't know if that's good or bad, but it should make the metallics sit better, I think, be more consistent. Right, anyway, let's stop waffling, and yeah, that's what we'll be doing next. Right, so not much this week, but this is very time consuming. So yeah, thanks for watching and catch you next time. See ya.